everybody, we're back in the studio. I'm doing another acrylic pour. This is on a round canvas. I don't know the size. I guess I threw everything away. I didn't tell you the last one either because I threw all that away. I throw these things away as I unwrap them and I forget. But it's a pretty large. It's not extremely large, but it's a nice size. I'm going to try something. I hope it works. I don't know. I've got my sides covered in white. It's just a mixture of 1 part paint, white paint, to 4 parts Floetrol. And I kind of sweeped it over. I want to put a little bit more here, actually, around where it's not catching the paint there. And I'm going to blow this one. I don't know how it's going to work. I hope it works, so I don't know what's going to happen. I got a couple little things in here. I don't know what they are. Little pieces of something. So, what I mixed here is I have the Americana Deco Art Acrylic True Blue. I don't know if you can see True Blue. Oh, maybe I should go this way with that True Blue. I've got the Craft Smart Chrome Yellow. And I have Bright Red Craft Smart also. And I didn't put any any kind of oil in this. I didn't use my silicone. I just want to try this without getting too crazy, but we'll see what happens here. So I've got all my mixture. It's like 1 part paint to 4 part Floetrol. And I'm going to start out with my blue. I'm just going to pour it right here. I don't want it to spread too far. So I'm thinking I might just put some of this here because I want to blow it. Oops, got a little white in there. That's okay, I think. We'll see. And a little red. A little yellow. Okay. I'll put a little bit more blue. Just another little bit more blue. I don't know what colors are going to show up when I do this. I'm going to put some white also around this so it kind of sticks to the 1 part. I don't want it to go anywhere except in this section here. So we'll see if this keeps it in line. Now I have my little blow dryer. And what I'm going to do, you know what, I'm going to maybe put some white on top of this just to kind of help me along here. Okay, so I'm going to put this on low. Oh yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want. Okay. Maybe the force is not hard enough, so I'm going to put it on high. Yeah, this is great. Okay. Ooh, look at that. And it's even starting to give me some cells. Alright, so I'm done with that part. Now I'm just going to use this little teeny weeny blow dryer. See if I can get some of that to come out this way. Oh, I like it. What do you think? Well, that was pretty quick, huh? Yeah. Well, at least it worked. And I'm getting cells. I can't believe I'm getting all these cells in here. That's awesome. I didn't even use any of the other things that I should be using, you know? Wow. Whew. Nice, nice, nice. Maybe I should put some over here a little bit. There we go. Let me just push that in a little. I don't want to get it like where it's gonna get muddy and stuff. But I saw another artist had this little blow dryer. I got it on Amazon. I'll have to go in there and list that, because that's an awesome little tool for this. And as you can see, this is it. It's not that big. It's kind of small. It actually almost fits in my hand, except for this part, the nozzle. And it seems to work just the way I want it to work. So that is great. Awesome. 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 Wow. There it goes. That's it for today, I guess. Just a few little things, and I hope you subscribe and like and share. Be great if you could share these things with other people. I might make a little one here while I'm at it. I have these little canvas here, which are really cute. These are like 5x5s. Now you're not going to see this, so because my camera doesn't extend over. You saw the basic one there, so that was pretty cool. So I guess until next time, please like, subscribe, and help my station stay on my channel through Patreon or through PayPal. Anything that you can help would be so much appreciated. And you will be listed. And the first 10 that actually donate to my Patreon, you will be entered into a drawing for a prize, either from my Origami Owl collection, or which is jewelry, or a painting of one of my paintings. So please help me out there. I would appreciate it, and you will get something in return. I promise. First 10. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.